All right, in lesson 6.2, we are going to take a look at what a recursive formula is. So first we want to focus on the definition in purple. A recursive formula is a formula that relates a term in the sequence to the preceding term or terms of the sequence. You must denote the first term in your formula. So again, it relates a term in the sequence to the preceding term. So preceding terms is super important, all right? So if we have the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, what's the next number in the sequence? Okay, we should be able to see that in this sequence, we are going up by 2 each time. So the next number would be 9, 11, and 13. Then it says justify your reasoning. Well, let's think about this. If we make a table, we can say we have n and then our answer to n. See, our first term is 1. Our second term is 3. Our third term is 5. Our fourth term is 7. And so on. Our fifth term is 9. Well, what logic could be used to solve this? We can see that each term is going up by 2. Okay. So that justifies our reasoning. It shows our answer through a table. And again, recursive formula is important for us to know. It's right up here. I'll say it again. It's a formula that relates a term in the sequence to the preceding term or terms. So it says, what's the recursive formula for the sequence in example 1? Well, let's think about this. It says we need to use the preceding term. So the preceding term, when I know that the fifth one is 9, well, that'd be 5 minus 1 gives us our fourth term. Or 4 minus 1 gives us the term before, or the one before, right? So if I have an nth term, how do I figure that out? Well, I would know that I need that. So if I'm looking for a sub n, well, I know that has to equal the term before it. And what are we adding each time? Plus 2. Well, let's think about this. It also says you must denote the first term in your formula. So we have to put a little space here and say that the term before here, the first term here, a sub 1, would equal 1. So our recursive formula for this one would be a sub n is equal to the term before it plus 2 when our first term is 1.